11 no-nonsense steps to recover from infidelity in your marriage. Infidelity in a marriage is one of the most gut-wrenching challenges any couple can face. It can leave you questioning everything you thought you knew about love, trust, and your relationship. When someone you love and trust breaks that bond, it feels like the foundation of your life has been shattered. But, despite the heartbreak, there are ways to navigate through the emotional storm and decide what's best for you and your marriage. If you're wondering what to do next and how to move forward, you're not alone. Infidelity doesn't have to be the end of your marriage, but it will take time, effort, and hard decisions to rebuild. Here are 11 steps to help you recover from the pain and start healing. 1. Can you forgive them? The first question you must ask yourself is, can I forgive them? Forgiveness is crucial for moving forward, but it's not something you can force. Can you genuinely let go of the betrayal and rebuild your trust? It's okay if this doesn't come immediately. After all, you've been hurt deeply, and the healing process may take longer than you expect. If you can't forgive them, staying in the relationship might cause more pain than peace. 2. Why are you trying to save your marriage? Before deciding to try and repair your marriage, ask yourself why you're doing it. Are you staying because it feels like the right thing to do, or is it because you're afraid of the unknown future without them? There's no shame in wanting to salvage a long-term relationship, but it's important to examine whether your reasons are healthy. If you're only trying to stay out of obligation or fear, then the healing process will be difficult and may lead to resentment in the long run. 3. Do you have support around you? Going through infidelity can make you feel isolated. But you don't have to go through this alone. Seek out support from trusted friends and family. Talking about your feelings with people who care about you can help you process the pain and gain perspective. Whether it's a friend to lean on or a family member to help you make decisions, having a strong support network is vital. 4. Has your partner shown they can change? After the affair, it's normal to want assurances that your partner won't repeat the same mistakes. Ask yourself if they are genuinely trying to change their behavior, or if things are just going back to how they were before. Can you trust their promises that things will be different this time? True change requires consistent effort. If your partner is not making a visible and lasting change, it may be time to reevaluate the future of your relationship. 5. Have you addressed past issues in your relationship? Infidelity is rarely an isolated incident. It often stems from deeper issues within the relationship. Take the time to reflect on your marriage and discuss the problems that may have contributed to your partner's unfaithfulness. Were there communication breakdowns? Was there emotional distance? Addressing these issues together will be key in ensuring that the affair doesn't happen again and that both of you are truly happy in your marriage. 6. Do you need to take any accountability? While infidelity is ultimately your partner's choice, it's important to reflect on the role both of you may have played in the relationship dynamics. This isn't about blaming yourself, but acknowledging areas where you could have been more present or communicative. This self-reflection can help you both grow as individuals and as a couple, ensuring that you don't fall into the same traps again. 7. Is the affair truly over? For the healing process to start, you must be sure that the affair is really over. Can you trust your partner when they say the relationship is finished? If there are any lingering doubts, it will be impossible to move forward. Pay attention to their actions, not just their words. If they are being secretive or vague about their communications with the person involved in the affair, trust has not been fully restored. Without full transparency, rebuilding your relationship will be extremely difficult. 8. Think about what you want to know before you ask. When you first learn about the infidelity, You may be overwhelmed with the need to know every detail. While it's natural to want answers, be careful what you ask for. Some details may hurt you more than help you, and the trauma of knowing everything could be overwhelming. Take time to think about what information will truly help you heal, and what might do more harm than good. 9. Ride out all of your emotions. Dealing with infidelity will bring up a roller coaster of emotions. From anger and betrayal to sadness and confusion, it's normal to feel overwhelmed. Don't rush the process of healing. Take the time to feel what you need to feel. Whether that means crying, shouting, or just taking a break from your partner, it's important to process these emotions at your own pace. Don't let anyone rush you into feeling better before you're ready. 10. If you make the decision to commit, stick with it. Rebuilding a marriage after infidelity is a long road. If you choose to stay and work through the issues, you need to fully commit to the process. There will be moments of doubt and frustration, but constantly bringing up the past and using it against your partner will only deepen the wound. Letting go of resentment is part of moving forward. If you want the marriage to work, give it your all. The past will always be a part of your history, but it doesn't need to define your future. 11. Try speaking to a therapist. If you find yourself stuck in a cycle of pain and confusion, consider seeking help from a therapist. A professional can help both of you navigate the emotional turbulence of infidelity and guide you toward healing. Whether it's couples counseling or individual therapy, having an expert to help you process your emotions and rebuild your relationship can make all the difference. Infidelity doesn't have to spell the end of a marriage, but recovery requires dedication, patience, and honest introspection. These 11 steps can guide you through the healing process, whether you decide to rebuild your relationship or move forward on your own. Every marriage is unique, and only you can decide what's right for your future. But by taking these steps, you'll be empowered to make the decisions that lead to healing, peace, and happiness, no matter where your journey takes you. If you enjoyed watching this video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on the notification bell, so you don't miss any new videos. Let us know your thoughts about this video in the comment section down below, and feel free to stay and enjoy it until the end. Also make sure to check out our next highlighted video, and we will see you next time. Thanks for watching. Please like, share, and subscribe.